Alright, hap around the house. I just wanted to share with you a trick I've learned over the years how to keep like your RTV. What is this, Loctite vinyl? We've got flex glue from drying out. Now flex glue is super easy, alright? Just take a little bit of petroleum jelly, like that. And you just put a little bead around the base here, like that. Then you put your top on. And what that does is that will keep any oxygen from getting at the product. This is just like any other caulk, and you want to keep oxygen from getting to it. Now in the case of Loctite, and this is just Loctite vinyl fabric or even your RTV, you take the top off and usually you pierce it with the cap anyways. You take your cap, you've got the little dicky in there that you pierce the top with. What I do is I take a heavy duty piece of aluminum, make sure it's large enough to cover the top, like that. Wrap it around the edges, work it around the edges a little bit, like that. And then you just work your top on. Put it on straight, work it until, there we go. And it threads on, put it down not super tight, and I'll show you what we get. We get a brand new seal, see that? And then when you want to use it again, you just pierce it again. Very simple, and it works great. I haven't had anything dry out on me in a tube in a long time. I'll do the same thing with this one. But this hap around the house, just a little tip to help you save a little bit of money and save your RTV and your Loctite fabric, vinyl, and plastic, and of course any of these other products that you buy. Try to keep them as fresh as you can, as long as you can. Any of the products that you see will be available down underneath from Amazon. It's a good way to support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Hap Around the House.